Water on it, watch how I drip. Oh, count it.
Hello, beautiful people. It's YAZTV. Welcome back to another video. Wow, I really did that. As you can see, I got a nest on my head. And I'm gonna show you guys how to turn that into something beautiful. If you're wondering, I'm gonna keep it real cheap and real simple this time. And last time it was so extra and so much like, so many steps. Okay, you know what? We like simple things. Too much stuff's been going on in 2020. We're gonna make it simple. I'm gonna use 2 products, baby. But here are the comments of the day. I love you guys so much. You really mean the world to me. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you guys, and I wouldn't keep grinding. Also, my clothing line is in the description down below. Masterpiece You. Go check out the merch down below. So let's get started with this routine because my hair is not doing well today. I always start off my hair wet unless it's a really good day. Unless I'm really, really lucky, I have to wet my hair every time I do it. And I use a t-shirt to dry it. That's not a t-shirt, that's a towel. That's a towel. This is a towel, this is a t-shirt, so bye. I use any cotton t-shirt to dry my hair, or you can use a microfiber towel, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna use a t-shirt. So let me go wet my hair. Okay, for the record, my hair usually, because I forgot to show you guys, like, to take out my bun, and I realized that when I was wetting my hair, and it was, like, too late, but, for the record, my hair usually looks like this before it's styled. Yeah, let's get started with this curly hair routine. I know I said 2 products, but sometimes if I look at my hair and it looks a little bit dry, I'll add some of this, which is like a Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate and repair protein treatment from Shea Moisture. You don't want to put too much of this in your hair because it's protein, and I don't know if your hair can overdose on protein. Also, some people's hair don't like protein, so I'm just gonna put a little bit, just a tad, you know, into the ends. Helps hydrate my hair. But yeah, so you definitely want to style with wet hair, not dry hair, wet. So my hair is not completely wet because it was in the towel, not towel, t-shirt. So I have this spray bottle to use, you know, just spritz it in there while we're going. But the 2 products that I've been using lately, this product comes on every freaking video because this by itself can do the job, but this, okay, come on now. My sister was using this and I was like, can I borrow your conditioner? And I was like, whoa, my curls are defined. Yeah, let me tell you about these products. So this is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I just always use this. Like, I always use it. It's lightweight. It does the job. So, love that. I usually use it as the base. I used to use meal products. For example, like this curl smoothie, I used to use this in my routine. It has a stronger smell. And then this stuff, whoo, child. Hold on. I don't know how to explain this. It smells like a buttery smell. Maybe it smells like honey. Yeah, probably. This baby is the holy grail of this whole freaking thing. So we got Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. And I'm like, twisting cream? Like, it's not for, like, you know, twisting hair. Child, it works for curls. So the fact that it says for dry, dehydrated hair is a good plus because it'll make your curls juicy and defined. So let me just shut up and get it. For my curly hair routine, wow, that was a lot of water in this freaking hair tie. But I'm gonna take my hair into sections and get to putting in the products. So there's my sections. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this. Just gonna take nice generous amounts. Let it kind of sit on top of my hair for a second, and then I'll start to just rub it in. I use a raking method with my fingers. I never use brushes or anything on my hair unless I'm like obviously slicking it back or something, so I'm always using my fingers to detangle. Next, we're gonna throw in this on top, Cream of Nature. And again, I like to let the product kind of sit there for a minute, and then rub it in. now we do the rest of my hair, and we're just gonna do the same thing. So. Okay, so since my hair is still wet, I let it air dry. Like this is what it looks like right now. And it's gonna look completely different, okay? Trust me, just trust the process. You know, you always gotta trust the process. I'm gonna wait until I feel like my hair is about 60% dry. And then we'll get in with the big guns. Just see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I like to have my hair mostly air dry because that's when I get the best results. Also, when my hair is old meaning since the day after I shampooed, like the first day my hair is really shrunk. It's a little bit frizzy because there's no natural oils in my hair or anything. So that's a note of how good my hair will look. So throughout the week, as my hair gets dirtier, it looks better, unfortunately. That's just how curly hair works, I guess. So I really do wash my hair once a week. I use this shampoo and conditioner only because my hair is colored. Yeah, I use these products. So I'll see you guys after my hair gets a little more dry. I'll be right back. I have this like really crappy dryer. I need to upgrade it, but it'll do a job. So basically I put this like pick kind of thing on the dryer, just like my pick, my trusty dandy, my beautiful pick. This is my baby. So yeah, I have like a similar thing on the dryer. I don't diffuse my hair like this. You'll see what I do. So basically, if it's still wet to the touch, I'm gonna be very careful so I don't make it like frizzy. And there's no light here, hold on. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna make it, it's the fan for me. I'm just gonna dry it. You'll see what I do. I'm just gonna be quiet and do this. So here we go. One more thing. I also keep it on a low heat setting, not high heat. It's low heat and medium speed. You know, you don't want it blowing out and making your hair frizzy. So. Another thing I just want to explain, while I'm doing this, I'm just doing the surface. I'm not going not yet, because my hair is still a little wet, so you don't want frizz. So you're just going to go off the surface, kind of like dry it naturally, and keep flipping your hair so your hair gets used to being flipped or whatever. Don't touch it, you know, keep it on the surface level at first. Okay, so now I'm done drying my hair. As you can see, what I was doing is just basically using it as a pick and a dryer at the same time, stretching out my hair, you know, trying to make it look longer. That's where this guy comes in to make it look fuller and longer in the end. Finishing touches. What you do, I do this in sections, so like all of my hair is picked out. So I flip my head, pull up on the top half part, so it's kind of, you know, making it more voluminous, and then at the bottom I'll just kind of go like that and pick out the bottom like this, kind of it's like a tease. I don't know how to explain it. Like you're picking it out, you're teasing it, you know how to pick hair all the way around the crown area. So I'm gonna flip my hair to the side, so I'm gonna pick out this down, pick it out like that, and then I'm gonna pick this side out, kind of shape it at the same time. So I just keep doing this until I'm like happy with how it looks. There's really no right or wrong here. It just depends on how big you want your hair to look, how frizzy you want it to, because if you keep going it's gonna get frizzier. And you want to know where you want to part your hair. So I don't want to part it on the side. I'll usually do like a little middle part like this, and then I'll fluff it out more on the sides. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks now. Pretty big and fluffy compared to how it looked before. A lot of people ask me about edges, how I do my edges. It's actually pretty simple. I only use a toothbrush, which is a little crusty toothbrush, and some Eco Styling gel. I put this gel in a different container because I was traveling, and I really don't use gel at all, so it's still good. So I'm just gonna zoom in real quick. I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit of this gel. I know it might look crusty, I'm sorry. So as you can see, I have no edges here, no edges here. So what we do is we just kind of spread the gel at first and make my first swoop and kind of just shape it out. Also, you might want to follow through with your finger to whatever kind of shape you want, like that. I feel like you should just go naturally with what sections your hair gives you, because I used to just put some freaking ugly ass swoops in my hair and that wasn't it. So this is it. Oh, nah, I'm not using a mirror too, so this is struggle central, but I'm just gonna take this. This is gonna be the second swoop, just like that. See how clean they are? All right, this one's tricky to do without a mirror, okay? But I'm not gonna take out too much hair, because I'm not trying to be like, what the hell? So I'm just gonna take it in the middle section and just do a swoop. But at the end of the swoop, you kind of have to take this piece out, and it'll eventually kind of swirl itself. See how it's kind of like, I definitely took too much hair, but okay, see that? But just clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of gel on my finger here, and just put it, oh, that's kind of black. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on there, just so it sticks down like glue. Then on the other side, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Okay, not bad. So there's my edges for you guys. This side is way better. This is just how it usually looks. This side's kind of crooked, but yeah, I usually use a little less hair here, but it's fine. It's fine. It's just a little demonstration. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. If you guys want any more routines, a shower routine, a makeup routine. I don't wear makeup. Never mind. A couple's morning routine. Comment down below. So I'll see you guys on Saturday. Love y'all. Bye.